This is just so hard to mix all this into the meat. Anon, can you help me mix this, Anon? It would mean the world to me if you could. Isn't he just so helpful? Thank you, Anon.
You're the best, babe. You're the best.
You're so sweet.
Just stir it up just the way we like it. Oh,
I can't believe you can hold the bowl with your nub. Yeah.
You're so
good. Wow. Look how good he is.
You're so good.
Wow, I love watching your veins pop out of your forearm.
I can tell you've got that nice post-workout pump right now. Your forearms look jacked.
I hope you're pumping something else tonight. Oh.
Thank you
wow.
so much.
He's so good.